My name is Mr. Dillon, and I've had the pleasure of directing the first show of this year. The show is called The Dining Room. It's basically the history of America and how important the dining room played in art history. There are 16 young men and women actors who have participated and put this together, and then also our crew. They've been working very, very hard to put this together. We'd like to do a little teaser for you right now, give you an idea of what the show is all about.
Mom! Mom! Is anyone home? See? I told you there's no one here. Where is she? She works at a boutique 4 days a week, and my father's away on business in Denver or Atlanta, somewhere. Anyway, I'll show you where we keep the liquor. My mom's always there when I get home. Always. Bummer.
And when she isn't, my grandma comes in.
We keep the liquor in the pantry. Oh, hey, Nito. What?
This room!
That's our dining room.
I know, but it is viciously nice.
Which do you want? Gin or vodka?
You decide.
Well, there's more gin, so there's less chance they'll notice.
Gin then.
But the reason there's more gin is that I put water in it last week.
Vodka then.
I'll tell you what, I'll mix a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you use this room?
Oh, sure.
Special occasions, huh? When the relatives come to visit?
Every night.
Every night?
Well, at least every night my parents are both home.
Really?
Oh, sure. They insist that we all eat in the dining room at 7 o'clock sharp. Here, gin and vodka and fresca. The boys are bringing the pot.
It must be nice eating in here.
Oh, sure, you bet. We have to lug things in and then lug things back out, and no one can even begin until everything's cold. And oh, we have to carry on a decent conversation, whatever that means. And no one can even get up until everyone's done, and it sucks. If you want to know, it sucks out loud.
We eat in the kitchen.
Can you watch TV while you eat?
Yeah, we used to. We used to watch the daily news and the weather.
That's something. I mean, at least you don't have to talk.
Yeah, but now we can't. My mother read on the daily news that TV was bad at meals, so now we turn on the stereo and listen to semi-classical music.
My parents tried eating in the kitchen, but when I got kicked out of boarding school, they moved us all back in here. It's supposed to give me some sense of stability.
Do you think it does?
Hell no! Just makes me nervous. I mean, they take the telephone off the hook so no one can call, and my brother just gets all itchy about his homework, and when my sister had anorexia, she had to sit here and watch. For God's sake. And my parents just spend the whole meal bitching, and it bites, Helen. It bites the big one. Oh, hey, you want another?
No thanks.
Well, I do. Oh, you call the boys and tell them it's all clear.
Hey, Sarah?
What?
When the boys come over, can we have our drinks in here?
In the dining room?
Yeah, I mean, wouldn't it be cool sitting around this big, shiny table with Eddie and Dwayne drinking gin and vodka and fresca?
No way. Absolutely no way. In here. I just get all uptight in here. Jesus, Helen, you really are a wimp sometimes. Now, come on, let's go call the boys.